What's going on, everybody? Ercan with Suds 2 Success Podcast. Today we got a quick tip video for you, how to clean glass. We're going to focus on the windshield today because I think that's the most important part of any detail. If your customer is driving home and they start seeing streaks, they're going to get like, what the heck did I pay for? So if you want to take a look, this one's a little streaky. I don't know what they try to clean it with, but we're going to fix that today. It's got some bugs on the outside, some dirt that we normally wash it, but just for this video, we're going to do it before we wash it. What we like to use for the interior of the glass is rinseless wash. The reason why we use it, I find it's a little bit more working time. We use DIY. You can use any brand. So we're going to have two towels. One is wet, one is dry, obviously clean. We're going to go inside the car, sit down real quick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray my rinseless wash, not too much. 2 little sprays. I have it in a pump sprayer. You can have it in anything. What I'm going to do is I like to start in one corner, make a half, and then shove the towel as far as it can go. And then we're just going to use all the towels. There is an annoying oil change sticker, but it is what it is. Just try not to take it off for the customer. And then we're going to just go halfway. Then we're going to grab the clean towel, completely dry. We're going to do kind of the same thing, go halfway, and then just, you want to try and push the towel as much as you can into the corners. And then we're going to go vertical. And the reason why I'm going vertical, the best piece of advice I ever learned was, if you go one way on the inside and one way the other side, so if you go vertical on the inside and horizontal on the outside, you'll know where your streaks are. So you don't have to start wiping both ends and figuring it out. I'm gonna do one more quick pass, make sure I got all the corners. And then, looks good to me. So real quick, we'll give it a quick one over. Look at it with our light. Looks pretty good. And then, so now we're gonna focus on the outside, the waterless wash from DIY. The reason I use it, honestly, it has ceramic in it. It makes it super slick. So even when you're doing your final wipe, super slick. I find that glass cleaner makes it really rough. Towel just starts going everywhere. If you got SUVs, one of these steps is perfect. Put that right there. We're gonna do about 2 sprays. Tuck that in there. And then the reason I wear gloves is just because, imagine we wash this, now I'm putting fingerprints everywhere. So we went vertical on the outside, inside, so we're gonna go horizontal on the outside. Make sure I get everything. Perfect, and we're gonna flip this towel. I like waterless wash because it doesn't get too wet on a towel, so you can use one towel if you wanted to. And then we're just gonna go horizontal, make sure it looks good. There we go. Then we'll give it a quick look over, make sure inside and outside. So we're gonna look for vertical and horizontal lines. Perfect, so we got a little bit of vertical there, but now we know what's on the inside, so we can go ahead and take care of it. And that's how you perfectly clean any glass on your vehicle. If you liked this video, if it helped you out in any way, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. We'll have a lot more quick tip videos coming out soon. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon.